Does TCL Google TV have Chromecast? Yes, TCL Google TVs come with built-in Chromecast, allowing users to stream content wirelessly from their smartphones, tablets, and computers directly to the TV. This feature enables easy screen mirroring and media casting without needing an external Chromecast device. First, Chromecast built-in on TCL Google TVs. TCL Google TVs include Chromecast built-in, which means users can cast videos, music, and photos from compatible apps on their Android, iOS, or Windows devices directly to the TV. This feature works seamlessly with apps like YouTube, Netflix, Disney+, and Spotify. 2. How to use Chromecast on a TCL Google TV. To cast content to a TCL Google TV, Step 1. Ensure the TV and casting device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open a Chromecast-compatible app on your phone, tablet, or computer. Step 3. Tap the cast icon, usually a TV-shaped icon within the app. Step 4. Select your TCL Google TV from the list of available devices. Step 5. Start playing the content and it will appear on the TV screen. 3. Screen mirroring with Chromecast. Apart from casting specific apps, users can also mirror their entire device screen using Chromecast. Android users can go to Settings, then Connected Devices, then Cast, and select their TCL TV. Windows users can cast their desktop via Google Chrome by selecting Cast from the browser menu. iPhone users may need third-party apps, as native screen mirroring requires AirPlay instead of Chromecast. 4. Internet requirement for Chromecast. A stable Wi-Fi connection is necessary for Chromecast to work. If the internet is slow or unstable, casting may experience lag or buffering. Some apps also support offline casting, allowing users to cast downloaded content without an active internet connection. 5th, alternative casting options. If Chromecast is unavailable or not working, users can try using AirPlay for Apple devices, available on some TCL Google TV models. Connecting via HDMI cable for direct screen mirroring without wireless streaming. Using third-party casting apps like a Power Mirror or Let's View provide additional mirroring options. TCL Google TVs come with Chromecast built-in, allowing users to cast content from mobile devices and computers effortlessly. With broad app compatibility and easy setup, Chromecast enhances the streaming experience without requiring extra hardware.